When those winter months approach, you're gonna thank your lucky stars that you've got a dedicated slow cook function. From beef bourguignon, lamb shanks, or a tasty pork shoulder, it sounds super fancy, but it's easy to make when you've got the Joule oven on your cooking team. The Joule oven's slow cook function is ideal for recipes that require longer cooking times at low temperatures. With its clever element IQ system, heat is steered where and when it's needed to create and maintain the ideal cooking environment. To get started, insert the wire rack to position 8. Close the door and turn the confirm dial to select the slow cook function. You'll see here the temperature displayed with 2 preset temperatures, low and high, that can be selected using the temperature dial. Chicken is slow cooked best on high to lock in its juices. By selecting high, you'll reduce the default cook time to 6 hours to prevent the meat from drying out. A handy rule when slow cooking is to cook lower and slower for dense meats. You can cook for up to 72 hours on a low setting and up to 12 hours on high. Activate the slow cook function with the start-stop button. You'll hear and the LCD will turn orange and indicate a blinking preheat message. Some key tips for slow cooking in your Joule oven include: always bring whatever you're cooking to a simmer on the stove before placing it into the Joule oven. Otherwise, you'll be cooking for 2 to 3 hours longer. Use a casserole dish whenever possible. Make sure cookware is no heavier than 13 pounds. Don't overfill your cookware either. A minimum of half and a max of 3/4 full is best to avoid spillover. Keep the lid on to keep moisture in. Say hello to melt-in-your-mouth beef bourguignon. Pop your casserole dish into the oven and put your feet up. You can leave the Joule oven to do the cooking. And if you've downloaded the Breville Joule oven app, you'll be notified when dinner is done. If you can't get to the oven once the cook cycle is complete, don't worry. It will automatically switch to the warm function until you're ready. Now that's clever. Thanks to the Joule oven's smart settings, you can use the slow cook function to maximize hours in your day, or turn it on overnight and wake up to a perfectly cooked meal.